Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making baked orange roughy. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You will need 1/2 pound of orange roughy, 2/3 cups of Bisquick, 1/4 cup of cornmeal, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of water, 1½ teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a dish, combine the Bisquick, cornmeal, salt, and lemon pepper seasoning. Using a whisk, mix until well combined. In another dish, combine the egg and water, then mix until well combined. Now it's time to prepare your fish. Coat your orange roughy with the egg wash, then dredge in the Bisquick mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Place the butter in your baking dish, then transfer to the preheated oven. After your butter has melted, place the fish in your baking dish, then return to the oven. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes on one side, then turn the fish over and continue cooking for an additional 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it from the oven and now it is ready to serve. This is one of my husband's favorite recipes and I'm sure you'll love it too. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with style.